Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to continue your second lesson Indian villages notes. I am going to explain true or false, short answers and long answers, okay? So all of you open your notes, listen to Indian villages. In our previous class we have learned hard words, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answers, right? And in today's class we are going to learn true or false onwards. See the first one. Villages have no shopping malls. Villages. Villages have no shopping malls. Shopping, shopping malls. Yes, in villages we do not find any shopping malls. So this statement is true. Second one. In many villages, people live in pakka houses. In many villages, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people live in pakka houses. P-U-C-C-A, pakka houses. Is the statement true? Yes, in many villages nowadays people live in pakka houses. Yes, this statement is true. Third one. Main needs of villagers are modern services like dining, restaurants. Is the main needs of villagers or modern services like dining and restaurants? No. So this statement is false. Main needs of villagers, villagers, villagers are modern, modern, modern services, services, services like dining, restaurants, restaurants, restaurants. No. The main needs of villagers in modern services are not dining and restaurants. So, this statement is false. Fourth one. Government keeps farmers away from education. No. Government wants farmers to be educated. So, this statement is false. Government, Government, government keeps farmers, farmers, farmers away from education, education, education. So this statement is false. See the fifth one. Early humans lived in kucha houses. Yes, in early days humans live in kucha houses. So kucha, Kutcha, kucha houses. Yes, this statement is true. Children, again I am going to repeat true or false. You to read along with me. First one. Villages have no shopping malls. This statement is true. Second question. In many villages, people live in pakka houses. Yes, this statement is also true. Third one. Main needs of villagers are modern services like dining, restaurants. No, this statement is false. Fourth one. Government keeps farmers away from education. Yes, this statement is not correct. So, this statement is false. Fifth one. Early humans lived in kucha houses. In early humans lived in kucha houses. So, this statement is true. Now see question and answers. See the first one. What is the main occupation of people in villages? What is the main occupation? occupation, occupation of people. People, people in villages. So what is the main occupation of people who are living in villages, children? Let us see. Farming. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. The main occupation is the farming. 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 Okay. Now see the second question. Why did people in early times travel from one place to another? Why did people in earlier earlier times times travel travel from one place to another another. Why did people in earlier times travel from one place to another? People in earlier times traveled from one place to another in search of food and shelter. So, in search of food and shelter, people in earlier times traveled from one place to another. Third question. What is the head of the panchayat known as? So, what do we call the head of the panchayat? The head of the panchayat is addressed as the Pradhan or Sarpanch. The head of the panchayat is addressed as the Pradhan or Sarpanch. Okay. Pradhan, Pradhan or Sarpanch. 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 Fourth question. How is life in a village? So how is the life in a village? Life in villages is very simple. 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 Villages are usually usually peaceful. Peaceful. Calm. Calm, quiet, quiet, and full of greenery, greenery, where one can breathe, breathe, fresh air. Villages are usually peaceful, calm, quiet, and full of greenery, where one can breathe fresh air. Next, people live together as one big family. People, people live together, together as one big family. They help each other. They celebrate, They celebrate festivals, festivals together, together. They take part in each other's joyful occasions, joyful, joyful, occasions, occasions. So life in villages is very simple. Villages are usually peaceful, calm, quiet, and full of greenery where one can breathe fresh air. People live together as one big family. They help each other. They celebrate festivals together. They take part in each other's joyful occasions. Fifth one. What do you understand by Gram Panchayat? People in villages have their needs and problems. People in villages have their needs. NEEDS, needs and problems. PROBLEMS, problems. A village has a local government to address, ADDRESS, address people's, PEOPLES, people's needs, 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 and maintain, MAINTAIN, maintain peace and order, PEACE, peace and order. This local, LOCAL, local government in villages is called Gram Panchayat, GRAMPANCHAYAT, Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat is a group of people that looks after the needs and wants of the people. So this is all about the true or false and the question and answers of your second lesson, Indian villages. So children, once go through the today's video and note down true or false and question and answers in your homework books one time each. Okay, bye children. Thank you.